Now in a trapezium ABCD, AB parallel DC and DC is twice AB. EF is drawn parallel to AB, cuts AD in F and BC in E such that B by EC equals 3/4. Let it is trapezium ABCD and AB is half of DC, or we can say DC is twice AB. EF is drawn parallel to AB, cuts AD in F and BC at E and B by EC, it is 3/4. Now the diagonal DB intersect EF at point G. We have to show that 7 into FE equal 10 into AB. In figure ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to EF is parallel to CD. Such that DC is equal to AB also, and B by EC is equal 3/4. To prove seven into FE equal 10 into AB. 7 into FE equal 10 into AB. We have to prove this relation. Now proof. In triangle BGE and triangle BDC, we have this angle is equal to this corresponding angle and E is equal to C. Angle BGE is equal to angle BDC, corresponding angle. Because Z is parallel to DC. Similarly, angle BEG is equal to angle BCD, corresponding angle. Therefore, triangle BGE is similar to triangle ZD, means BD and E is equal to C. Now find ratio BG by BD is equal to ZE by DC is equal to BE by BC. We have ZE by DC is equal to B is 3, means B by EC is 3/4. Then ratio of B and BC is 3/7. B is 3 and BC is 7. Means if we let B equal 3K and it is 4K, then 3k by 3k plus 4k 7k means 3k by 7k is 3 by 7. Then the value of g from here, we have g equal 3 by 7 into dc. It is our first relation. GE by DC is equal 3 by 7. Now if we want to find BG by BD, BG by BD is also equal to B by BC, means 3 by 7. It is 3 by 7. Then BD by BG means reciprocal of it is equal 7 by 3. Now subtract 1 from each. We have BD by BG minus 1 equal 7 by 3 minus 1. Then it is equal BD minus BG by BG. We have to find the relation DG by GB. Therefore we are subtracting 1 from both these terms. BD minus BG, BD minus BG, BD minus BG is equal to DG, and DG by GB is obtained. BD minus BG is DG, and it is BG equal 4 by 3, means it is also equal 4:3. Now in triangle DGB DGF and triangle DGF and triangle DBA, we have DGF and DBA. This angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angle, because EF is parallel to AB, and it is also equal, and angle D is common in both triangles. Then we have in DGF and DBA, angle DGF is equal to angle DBA. DFG is equal to angle DAB. It means triangle DGF is similar to triangle DBA. Now we have ratio DG by DB. DG by DB is equal to DB by GF by BA. GF by BA is equal to DF by DA. Now DG by DB. DG is 4 and DB is 4 plus 3 means 7. Then DG by DB is equal to 4 by 7. We have both these terms. It is 4 by 7 equal GF by BA. Then value of GF is 4 by 7 into BA. Now EF is equal to GE plus GF. GE is 3 by 7 DC and GF is 4 by 7 BA or AB. DC is equal to twice AB, given it is 4 by 7 AB and EF is equal to, so the 6 plus 4 means 10 by 10 AB by 7, then 7 into EF is equal to 10 into AB, and it is proved.